Welcome to our Vue.js tutorial. In this video we'll delve into the fundamentals of Vue.js, a progressive JavaScript framework. Vue.js is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a popular choice for building dynamic web applications. Let's start with the basics. Vue.js operates on the concept of components, which are reusable building blocks for web interfaces. To begin, we need to include Vue.js in our HTML file. Now that Vue.js is set up, let's create our first Vue instance. With our Vue instance created, we can now define the data and methods that will power our application. In Vue.js, data is reactive, meaning any changes to the data will automatically update the Vue. Now, let's bind our Vue instance to an element in our HTML file. By using the vbind directive, we can bind Vue data to HTML attributes. Vue.js also provides directives like v-for and v-if for conditional rendering and looping through data. And that's just scratching the surface of what Vue.js can do. With its rich ecosystem and active community, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching our Vue.js tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and don't forget to subscribe for updates.